Be loyal, unlocking the meaning. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the English phrase, be loyal. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it in daily conversations. The term, be loyal, consists of two words. 1. Be, a verb that indicates existence or a state of being. 2. Loyal, an adjective that describes fidelity to a person, cause, or institution. When combined, be loyal suggests a recommendation or description of someone's commitment and faithfulness. To truly grasp be loyal, we need to understand what being loyal means. Loyal implies staying true to someone or something even when faced with challenges. It means not betraying or abandoning that person, group, or belief. If you are loyal, you stand by them, support them, and defend them. For instance, a loyal friend will stick by your side during the good and bad times. Understanding any phrase is easier when you see it in action. Let's look at a few examples. 1. It's important to be loyal to your friends. 2. Even though times were tough, he continued to be loyal to his company. 3. She taught her dog to be loyal and protective. From these examples, it's clear that loyalty can apply to personal relationships, professional commitments, and even between humans and animals. Knowing synonyms, words with similar meanings, and antonyms, words with opposite meanings, can give us a clearer picture. Synonyms for loyal, faithful, devoted, true-hearted. Antonyms for loyal, disloyal, treacherous, unfaithful. When someone tells you to be loyal, they're essentially saying, be faithful, or be true to someone or something. In conclusion, to be loyal means to show unwavering support and commitment to someone or something, irrespective of the challenges. We hope this explanation has shed light on this English phrase, and you now feel confident using it in your daily conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but the emotions and values they convey. Stay loyal to your learning journey, and until next time, happy learning!